Hey guys, let's take a quick look at my culture experience last week with CEA for my class called The Culture of Food and Wine in Spain. Last week in the Slice It and Dice It class, I had the opportunity to learn and prepare Spanish cuisine. During class, we learned to make salamajero y tortillas de patatas in 3 different groups. The names of the groups were Not So Soso, Los Angeles de Angel, y Gordon Ramsay, which was a great way to make the class so interactive. The class took place in a kitchen and we had a large table topped with vegetables, spices, and different ingredients. First, the instructor spoke about the culture behind Spanish cuisine and about typical Spanish dishes. Afterwards, we cut vegetables, onions, tomatoes, peppers, etc. And during each step of the recipe, the instructors helped as we cut and cooked the food. This was a great opportunity for students to learn about different aspects of Spanish cuisine in Spain, but especially here in Seville.